It is not uncommon that we get patient requests or potential patients calling up the clinic asking for specific brands of lasers that they want to use. It is very interesting because a lot of this behavior may be influenced by external marketing or materials that they see on social media. It causes patients to want to use only a specific brand because this particular celebrity uses this particular brand of laser. But how important is it to just be very fixated on a particular brand of laser, and how is it really relevant to the patient? I would say most lasers that are carried and are being able to be sold to clinics in Singapore generally have a very high reliability as well as safety profile. In Singapore, we have very strict regulations that only allow safe machines to be brought in and be sold to clinics. There are, of course, many other factors that determine whether a clinic brings in a particular brand of machine. And this can be the same class of machine, for example, a picosecond laser, which is very common in the market. And many of these factors really don't affect the consumer or the patient at all. It could be very similar to, for example, electrical appliances. If you were to be in the market for a refrigerator, you might look at particular brands. Of course, there are more famous brands on the market, but you want to find something that suits the budget, your size, and also things like after-sales service, which is something that is very important these days, and things like speed of delivery. So these are important factors and often sway our decisions to use one type of machine versus another, and in fact have no relevance to the patient at all. I would say it would be unwise to choose a particular clinic just because that particular clinic does not carry that famous brand of machine. It would be better that you choose a clinic based on whether they have that particular class of machine and whether they have the particular know-how as well as their expertise to operate that machine. So I would really advise potential patients to not be brand fixated but to be expertise fixated.